train them to hear me whistle, and then they wake up. Alright, if you can see with the light. Easy, easy, easy. I'm trying to get to the little guy, but okay. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. Oops, too big of a piece. But as you see, they're doing great. They're a little rough on the little guy, unfortunately. Good, there we go, little guy. I make sure he always eats. Try to get him first. Wow, it's hard to do this and record by myself. But they're doing great. They love to stay together. As you see, I made separate nests. And when we open it up, I think this is the best part about this. When I open it up, they're always cuddled together. Oh man, it's just so awesome to see them come together. And as you see, the little guy now has full feathers. He's not skinned anymore. Even though he's half their size, he's definitely coming along. The biggest guy's in the back there looking at us. All right, here we go. How cool they're doing. Always give our little guy first.
You're getting to know your voice, Rob.
Oh, dropped in there. Didn't mean to do it that way, buddy. There you go. Oh, you want more? We'll always take care of the little guy first. All right, he's good now. Let's get your brothers or sister. We don't know. They have gotten so big, and even the little guy is fully furred now. And what I want to make a note of is how they huddle together. So we had them in different nests, and in the morning we wake up and they're all together. It's pretty cool. So they like to be together with each other. All right, man, they're ravenous.